luxurious, serene, pure. Experience it at Washworks, Motorworks Luxury Auto Spa, with 2 convenient locations in Barrington and Hoffman Estates. Making sure your vehicle is in top shape has never been easier or more convenient. We didn't build just an ordinary car wash. Washworks is 100% luxury approved. With cutting-edge facilities and state-of-the-art technology, our customers can enjoy an immaculate vehicle 365 days a year. All Motorworks customers receive unlimited washes 6 days a week and have access to our rewards program. Washworks takes as much pride in keeping your vehicle as pristine as you do. It's where luxury knows no bounds. We call it The Works, and you can only find it at Motorworks of Barrington and Hoffman Estates. Welcome to the Circle.